Okie dokie. Good morning. Today is... Oh, I guess I have to pause my music. Today is Tuesday, September 6th. What? I was supposed to say 16th. The 26th, okay? And I'm driving to my friend's house because we're about to do errands at her house. I said at her house. Yeah, we're gonna do errands at her house, guys. Yeah. No, that's not what we're doing. We're not doing errands at her house, but I'm running errands. I'm running errands or whatever, with her and then my other friend. But I'm not spending any money. Nope, nope, nope. None. I'm on E. So that's interesting. But I think we're going to Target, and I think she said Once Upon a Child. Excuse my voice. Every single day I wake up, this is just what I sound like. I sound like I'm sick every fucking morning. It's ridiculous. It's literally ridiculous. I sound sick every morning. Like, why? Why do I sound sick every morning? We'll never fucking know. But, like, my throat hurts and everything, and it's every freaking morning. And that's it. Like, it's never continues on. It never makes any sense. But anywho, so I'm gonna take in so long for the day. I'm undecided if I want to make just a day today vlog, like today, and just edit it and then post it, or if I want to make it a weekly vlog, which I don't think I might. But I will have to say, I've been going back and forth content-wise. I have no idea what I want to do as with content, because I know my YouTube channel is right now strictly just vlogs, which I know that's fine. It can be strictly just vlogs, but I kind of want to venture out a little bit and maybe try to do something else. Like, I was gonna do like a spa night routine, because I'm like very much so into like baths recently. So I was thinking about, like, you know, doing a bath, like, I don't know, like face mask, ice roller, little eye patches, like, I don't know, like, I was just kind of like thinking like of other things, but I'm like, is that really video, like, is that video worthy? Like, I don't know if that's the right word that I'm looking for. I don't know. I genuinely don't know. I don't know if it'll be interesting. And obviously I know, like, if I record it and it's not good, I don't have to post it, but like, I don't know. I just go back and forth with it. Because, like, I'm genuinely, like, I don't know what I want to post, I don't know what I want to do, type of thing. I'm about to get over because I don't want to be next to a cop at a red light, because I'm going to just feel like I can't go. And plus I have a camera that I'm just talking to. But yeah, I don't know why I made it look like that. Probably because of just the way the lighting is, I guess. I don't fucking know. But yeah. I brought my Stanley. I brought my, I brought like crackers and a granola bar because, like, I didn't eat nothing. So just in case. I'm like real hungry. And I was saying that was my mom. Which, oh no, I guess she would already be at work. That was dumb. It is not the crack ass of dawn. It's like early, I guess, but it's not. Oh, that car better slow down. That's what I didn't want to happen. I didn't want to be in that lane, because now you're forced to like not let the cop pass you, so that's awkward. That's what I didn't want. Oh, they're turning off this road. They don't have time. That would be funny if like they really didn't want to turn and they just turned on. Fucking no. But I know this is a long intro, but I'm just like fucking bullshitting with y'all. But I guess I will show you guys whenever I'm like, I don't know if I'm gonna just start vlogging when I'm at my friend's house, or if I'm gonna just wait until like we get to Target. I don't know. We'll figure it out, I guess. Ooh, it's green. But it don't, like, there's a lot of clouds in the sky, but like it don't look like cloudy like how it's been. Like, I see the sun poking, if that makes any sense. I don't know. It's probably can't even tell. It probably literally just looks like fucking clouds. I'm sorry. But anyway, yeah, I will touch base with Jens when I get to my friend's house. Okay, so we're in Target, and I just seen these little Squishmallow candy baskets, but I feel like they're way too small to even almost hold anything. But like, look at this. Oh, it doesn't even freaking. Like, those are cute. And sounds like this is cute.
I'm weak. I didn't even know you had that.
I'm weak.
Oh, I want to vlog with you.
And then look at this freaking thing. This is cute. It just lights up.
You need to get into vlog.
Oh, I guess it has confetti in it. This is actually kind of cute for real. I don't know how I feel.
We're going away. We're going away.
That would be cute if I hung it up like on the door or something. I don't know. And then they got this phone. I think Halloween might be like, not my favorite, but like, I don't know. I think I really love Halloween. I'm not even gonna lie. Oh my god, they have this freaking big ghost. That would be freaking cute because I literally DUI'd a freaking ghost. I don't know.
Figure out what I actually need and what
I'm weak, y'all, because look at these little ghost cookies. Yeah. And look at the little Frankenstein Rice Krispie treat. And look at the mummy. Ah! I can't. I'm weak. Look at this. Might have to come and get this to match. There's like cranberry. Or even the golden pumpkin spice.
These are only $13 and they just don't have the little blue pack in it. Should I do that? Because I mean,
Y'all, look at these freaking cups. They're too small. Well, I guess this isn't too small, but I feel like they're way too small for me to even put anything in it. I feel like I would only use this for like a decoration, but it's still cute. Like, these ones are like the bigger ones. I guess you could actually use something. This is just not fitting coffee. This is for like a child, I guess. But once again, I think I would just use it as like a decoration. These pumpkins.
no.
Oh my gosh. They're so cute.
From where?
Say hi. You're so cute. We're just chilling. She's on her Target fit. All red. All red. Her little pigtails. And look at her little Uggs. Her Ugg slippers. She's like, let me vlog. Okay, so we're
It's a 12-month one.
Yeah.
I should get it.
I freaking love Monsters Inc.
You know that's what we're being.
Yeah.
She's Boo. Carlos is. I should get her that to match Carlos just for pictures, and then put her in the Boo costume. It's only $8.50.
I'm weak. That is cute. I'm weak.
I'm thinking about it.
Yeah, because I remember I made shirts. Because I remember one year I physically was Boo for Halloween. But then I did at work, I was Mike Wazowski. And then my one co-worker was Sully. And I had like the Monsters University hats on.
Toys? It's so nice here. Like you could find.
I love Monsters.
Look at this little princess thing.
Oh yeah, that's cute.
You could literally find so much stuff. Don't pull everything out, girl. Yeah, don't pull everything
I'm
out. Though. Don't do it. Don't do it. I know
She's
you're
too excited. I was about to say, she's too excited.
Yeah, what do they have?
I'm weak.
Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh my gosh, why do I like this so much? She's too young. Look at all these toys. Maybe mommy will get you something.
Oh, I think this moves itself.
Wee! From
I'm weak.
what else you see?
I know, I wish they never.
This winter,
Amaya.
it's yours.
Hey, you.
Winter's cool. Oh, it's spring. Oh, it's summer.
Watching Elmo.
But that's
I'm
all
weak.
for Elmo. Well, I'm gonna go look at my calendar and count how many days till winter.
Okie dokie. So, y'all already know, if y'all are a real OG, we went to the little Boone Sea Korean dog freaking food truck and got me my Korean dog. And this one is the one with just like mozzarella in it, because y'all know that I got the one with mozzarella and cheddar, but I only got the one with mozzarella in it. But yeah, I'm about to take a bite.
How many do you like it? That looks so fucking good. Okay. Alright, how do I do this? How do I freaking make it so it don't?
Y'all.
I'm just on my regular camera. You make me vlog sometimes when you do it. I'm excited. I'm scared. Which one did you get with yours?
What do you mean?
Like, what did you get on, like, what's the outside of yours?
The sugar with the ketchup and the honey mustard.
Alright.
Look at Lexus with the potatoes.
Okay, how are we about to do this? I don't know. Let's see if this will work. Okay, somewhat.
Oh, that stays.
Okay, so we got Korean corn dogs. I'm so scared. Oh my gosh, it's falling.
Yeah, that looks good.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
I'm weak. The potato one does look real good though. I'm weak. They look like little french fries for real.
logo on it.
Yep.
Yeah. People keep beeping in Oakland. Like,
People don't play here.
all they were doing was crossing the street from the parking garage. And they beeped at them. Oh my gosh.
You know, people are wound out here.
It's so good. It's a lot.
I know, they're fat. All cheesy.
Worth it. I'm just falling.
Okay, so we're at this new chicken's place called Lane's or whatever in Oakland. And they say like it's kind of like Cane's or whatever, okay?
Yeah.
So, look. This is what it looks like. They give you bread, chicken, okay? This is the Lane sauce, okay? Low-key looks like the Cane sauce we're about to see. I'm gonna just try it on a fry real quick. Oh, I like it. Okay, so that was definitely a 10 out of 10 experience of Lane's chicken. It was definitely fire. But they have a bunch of freaking food places down here because I know there's a waffle place. I don't know if it's like the waffles, like you get all these crazy shit on them. I don't fucking know, but there's definitely a waffle place down here. And I guess they just opened that. And there's some other food place down here. I remember whenever my mom was driving down here that they have, but I don't know what the heck it's called. I'll have to look it up when I feel like looking it up, I guess. But I still have some of my Korean dog because that thing was freaking fire. But yeah. Look at the kitty kid.
Let's ask Elmo's friend, Smarty. Let's call her together. Oh, Smarty!
Say hi.
Yeah.
Hi.
Did somebody say dress up?
So
I
cute.
love playing dress up.
This one got tired out. Okay, I'm home now. We went back to Once Upon a Child because when you drop clothes off, they look through them and then they give you a price or whatever when you come back. So we did that, and now I'm home. And I'm finishing my Korean dog. And I'm watching YouTube because Kaya posted a new video, and then my other favorite YouTuber Sam, she posted a video. And my other favorite, I have a few, but another one, Amanda, she posted a video, but I'm not really into the try on hauls and stuff like that. On TikTok I'll watch it, but I don't really like it for like a YouTube video. It doesn't like interest me, so I won't watch her video. But and I'm drinking raspberry iced tea. I'm like, we have the same fucking comforter. Me and fucking Kaya. Cause that's definitely my fucking bed. My fucking big ass blanket. Those are the pillows I have. And then yeah, that's the mini pillow that came with. That's hilarious. That's actually really hilarious. But anyway. I don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow. Yo, I can't freaking stand whenever I have my hair pulled back and I get a fucking headache because of it. Like, I can't stand that. Like, I try to put like, because sometimes this helps, this little like eye mask thing or whatever that I freeze sometimes that helps, and I'll just put that on my head. But I'm just so annoyed that I'm gonna have to take some medicine because that's not what I wanted to do. I didn't want to take medicine, so that just like irritates me. Oh, I'll have to show you. My friend Alexis, she gave me, oh, focus. Why is this acting stupid? Like, fucking focus. Here we go. My freaking friend Alexis got me, but like, let me have one.
Two shades here. I have shade 7 and 6. So cute. Thank you so much. This next one's from First Aid Beauty. We have a facial cleanser. And then we have this cleanser God bar.
If you know me, I can't swallow pills.
Lastly, we have a sponsored water. We have all these blush shades, some lips, and
I hope that works. But I'm about to crack open one of these. My like favorite is the blue ones of the Freezy Pops. This one's my favorite. I feel like these, I don't even know like exactly if these are okay for you or not, but I will just eat when I'm bored, and these have helped so I don't eat when I'm bored.
that whole thing is filled with like, you know, my makeup collection and like skincare and my heat tools. It's just filled, and so I just needed another one. So I got another one. I'm gonna build it. It didn't come in yet. I'm gonna put all of my.
Okie dokie. So I just got out of the shower. I started watching like Baddies East. There was a lot going on. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not really a fan of TV shows like that. Well, I'm not really a fan of reality TV shows, like with like people and like all their drama and like their fighting and all this other blah blah blah. I'm not really a fan of it. But my friend watches it and she just keeps talking about it, blah blah blah. And she was like, "You have to watch it, you have to watch it." So I was like, okay. I'll give it an episode or two. And I guess on like Baddies East or whatever, there really is only 2 episodes out right now. Because I guess there's new ones like every Sunday. Once again, there was just way too much going on. To say the least. Like, I feel like they'd be talking for like 10 seconds. And then someone would come. And then the other girl would just get up from the table. And like charge her and fight her. There was just a lot going on. I'm not even gonna trip. So, I don't know if I'll be watching. I don't know if I'll be watching it again, but I don't know. There was just a lot going on. I'm just not even gonna lie. A lot of fighting. So, I don't know. I guess we'll see. Whenever another episode comes out. I guess in a week or whatever, but like I said, it was just a lot going on. I don't know why this looks so red, because it don't look red in person, but I don't know why my face looks red. But anyway, I did a hair mask in my hair, and then I like washed my face or whatever in the shower, because it's just easier. But like I said, I think I'm just gonna make this just a day vlog, I think, because I feel like I got a lot of content today while I was out. I don't know, I guess we'll see, because when I put the whole video together, yeah, I don't know why it's so red right here. And it feels irritated. But I don't know. I guess we'll see. We'll see when I put all the clips together. We'll see. But no, tell me why I was having... Oh, I feel like my allergies have been messing up because... Why does my face like look so red in so many different parts? That's the camera. But anyway, I think my allergies were messing up today because this eye just kept staying like watery and like, I don't want to say like itchy, but like itchy. Like, I don't know. It was like so weird, and it was all day today. It was like kind of like annoying me. But I don't know. I just feel like my allergies were like really messing with me today, which sucked. But I don't know. I guess it's definitely gonna start being allergy season, which that sucks, but whatever. As y'all know, these EOS lotions be so far. Like, I love me an EOS lotion. I'm not even gonna stunt. But, oh my god, I think it's coming off. Yeah, I don't know why my face looks so red. Maybe it's because like the thing that I like wash my face with, it almost like exfoliates, I feel like, because it's like one of those like silicone like things or whatever. I don't know how to describe it, but that's what I use or whatever to I'm putting these on my feet, and then when I do this, I have like these certain like slipper socks that they came with like, I think they're like really like spa like tight socks or something. Like they came with like, I don't feel like it's in here anymore, but I think it was like, yeah, because they're called Spa Sister. I feel like they came with like aloe vera or something in them. I don't think it's in there anymore. I think I've worn them out and washed them out or whatever too many times, so I don't feel like that's a thing. But I don't know. But anywho, I'm just looking at my bags. I don't even know what made me just look up there. But anyway, I don't know what I'm about to do tonight. Probably just lay in the bed and be on TikTok. I feel like that's just the vibe. Like right now, like my eye feels like so, like there's just shit in my eye. Like that's probably like the wrong term, but like it just feels like my eye is like itchy and watery. It's just terrible. Like, I know, I low-key, I got this as a sample, and they gave you like so much. It's a Dior Blooming Bouquet or something. I don't know, but I freaking love this perfume. So I want to get like low-key a big one of it because I think it just looks so pretty looking. But I love Cloud. Cloud is definitely my favorite perfume, and this is like a mini, so like I want to get the big one because my boyfriend didn't realize that like they came in sizes. So this was my big one. It's empty, and no, I'm not throwing it away. I'm not throwing it away until it's replaced. But I use literally every single ounce. I low-key want to get a big one so that I can have it for my dresser, and then literally take this mini when I go places. This is the perfume I use, which 99% 99.9% of the time, this is the perfume that I use because I love cloud. Like, this perfume I get the most compliments on, not even lying. Like, people will really be like, what are you wearing? Like, your perfume smells so good. Like, what are you wearing? And it's always cloud. Always cloud. So don't try me. And then my friend Deja, she got me this other perfume. It's one of their new ones. It's a vanilla something. It's in my purse. It's not in here. But that one, literally, I can just smell it all day long. And then, to me, that's rare for Bath and Body Works, because I be feeling like Bath and Body Works perfumes don't be sticking on me. Like, I love, like, this is my favorite candle scent, but I feel like when I spray this on me, do I be smelling this one? I don't know. I don't know if I do or if I don't. I couldn't tell you. But anyway, that's beside the point. But yeah. So I'm about to get my bedtime clothes on. I don't know. I think so. I'll just wear a black tank, I guess, to feel put together. And voila, nighttime fit. Just a tank. These freaking boxers. And my like crazy looking socks and slippers. Disregard my room. My room is a mess. I'm gonna have to conquer this tomorrow because this gives me anxiety. And y'all are like, I keep talking about I want a new bag to just carry around. And I'm low-key about to just be that bitch and just carry this around. But like, I don't want to just carry it. I don't want to carry this around. Like, I be feeling like this should be like for certain occasions. Even if someone will say, no, it doesn't have to be. But to me, if I'm going to Walmart, I don't need that. I don't know. I'm going to get boba. I don't need that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just be feeling like it's only meant for certain things. That's what I be feeling like. But like I said, some will tell you it's meant for all, but I don't feel like it's meant for all. I don't know. But anyway, somehow we got this Walmart candle like the other day when we were just at Walmart. This is one girl or whatever. It was like, she raves about men deodorant all the way. But anyway, she raves about freaking Walmart candles, and we blew through this candle fast as fuck. Like, I'm baffled at how fast we went through this candle.
I hit L2.
So now I'm gonna throw it in the garbage, obviously. And I'm gonna take our living room candle and I don't know where the light is. Cause it was just freaking hiding from a dirty sock. I was about to say, I know it's dark because we only have one lighter right now. Am I falling? And you have to, and it's like low key kind of broke. You have to be slow with it. I don't know. This is actually the candle that my friend Deja got me for my birthday. I blew through the other two candles that I got for my birthday. This is the last one remaining. But we always gotta sleep with a candle lit, so yeah. I'm about to eat a brownie just because. And I should hear something tomorrow from freaking CVS. Oh gosh dang. Because the girl that, you know, sent me the link and everything, I asked her, like, how long does it take for you to freaking hear something? And she told me that I should hear something tomorrow. and said it would be an email. So I don't have to worry about a card or a call. That's what I thought it was gonna be, but it's not that. So that works for me. Because I'm not really a fan of talking on the phone. So, hell yeah. I'll take that, an email. And then I was asking her like all these questions. Because one, I just ask a lot of questions. It's just, I don't know. I feel like, I don't know. To me, they'd be important. I was like, okay, girl. Get it, girl. So, then I was like, oh, since like it's an at-home job, I'm like, how the hell do they train you? Like, I was like, because once again, I've never had an at-home job. I've only had jobs, obviously, at places. And obviously, they freaking, you have a person that walks around with you. So I was like, but I guess she said it's all virtual and you'll be on camera. So I was just like, I said, okay. I said, that's interesting. So I'm all excited for that. So yeah. And she said they mail you stuff. Cause I was like, oh, you gotta go somewhere to pick it up. She was like, she was like, girl, they mail it. I said, oh. I was like, okay, holla. So I'm excited about that. So yeah. And I think I'm gonna get milk with these because I just feel like I'm gonna need it. Is what I feel like. I guess I'll just sit you like that for like a second because you're not gonna be there long, so I'm just putting a little mouthful. Because I feel like when I'm done eating these, I'm gonna need a milk. So swish this all around. Oh, I'm about to sit down and I need to turn the light out. I hate that, like when my hands are full. But anywho, I guess I'm gonna end the vlog because like I said, like I'm just gonna sit here and eat this brownie or whatever. I'm just gonna sit here and eat the brownie. And probably go and check out and go to bed. I'm honestly exhausted. Like, running around with the baby is exhausting. So, like and subscribe.